Hey guys, welcome back to my Lady Boss YouTube channel. So today I'm so excited. We're going to switch it up a little bit and we're going to talk all about food, my favorite topic in the whole entire world. But pretty much I just wanted to show my grocery haul that I just did recently and then all the really quick and creative meal prep ideas that I can share with you, along with some really great snacking ideas that will still keep you really healthy on a day-to-day basis. So pretty much I just have been super consistent with all my meal preps and just consistently do it on a week by week basis. So that's why I just wanted to kind of give some ideas and something where if it's really helped me, I feel like it'll help you as well too, on just saving money and just having healthier options and just having an idea of just other creative meals that you can make for yourself. So get ready, get super excited. I'm going to do also a little bit of a voiceover to kind of explain the ingredients and kind of the steps on like what I did to go ahead and make these meals. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So before I start to show you all the recipes, I wanted to go ahead and show you my whole entire grocery haul spread of all the foods that I bought. I go and shop at my local Trader Joe's. I used to actually shop at Vons a lot, but now I've actually switched over to Trader Joe's only because a lot of the ingredients are way better, they're way healthier, and a lot of the whole ingredients that just will help you stay on that healthy diet that you're trying to, keep consistent with and stay on. But pretty much this is a grocery haul for about 2 people, and it lasts us usually about a week and a half. So if you ever want to do this for just a single person, just honestly cut it in half. But this is just a spread of everything that I bought at my local Trader Joe's. Alright, so are you ready for the 2 recipes? Pretty much these are my meal prep recipes, and this will pertain to my lunches and then also for my dinners. So this is just a really easy way to stay on track with your meals, eat healthier, and really save you money so you're not really tempted to go out to eat at a restaurant. So pretty much this will go ahead and be a quick meal of just being able to put them in containers, take them to lunch when you're going to work, and then also being able to pop them in the microwave when you're ready for dinner. So these 2 meal ideas are pretty much a shrimp and quinoa bowl and then a meat and veggie dish. The shrimp and quinoa bowl is pretty much consisting of shrimp, quinoa, chopped up bell peppers, onions, corn, beans, some almond slices, lettuce, and then what I like to do too is I also like to top it off with some guacamole and some salsa. For the steak and veggie dish, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and pick your choice of steak, go ahead and pop that into the oven, and then once it's ready, you're going to want to cut those into slices. Then the next thing is you're going to want to start cooking your sweet potatoes. So what I normally do is I'll cut those into slices and little slivers just to make it easier and quicker to cook. Then I will also start to prepare my gnocchi. And what I buy is 2 different kinds. I buy the cauliflower gnocchi and then also sweet potato gnocchi. And then the other thing that I also add into this dish are green beans. Now that we had just finished talking about recipes and the meal prep ideas, now let's go ahead and get into some snack ideas. So this first one, it's my green juice that I've been drinking every morning. Trust me, by all means, I have never been a juicer, I've never been a smoothie person, and it's just one of those things that I was never able to ever be consistent with, and all the times that I've tried, those groceries just literally went to waste. But this time I kind of wanted to challenge myself. I wanted to see if I can do it and be consistent. So I had to really look up a recipe where I thought it could be on the healthier side, but definitely something that I could deal with the texture wise. I just don't think I liked the thickness of a smoothie. So that's why I was looking something more of a juice texture. So what my green juice consists of is apples, coconut oil, lemon, mint, spinach, and orange juice. So with all those things combined, you know, I know that some of those ingredients might not be very favorable to some people, and that's where you just have to make it in portions that will fit your taste buds. So for me, I'm not a real big mint person, so I don't put as much mint into these drinks as it calls for in the recipe. So this is something where it's actually pretty tasty, and I can definitely keep up with it. I've been doing it only for like the last week. But it's definitely been one of those where it's kind of like my morning breakfast, since you normally don't have enough time to eat anything. My next snack idea is a bagel with cream cheese and salmon. So go ahead and get whatever type of bagels that you want at the grocery store. I like the ones preferably with the seeds and the onions because it just gives a little bit more flavor. Go ahead and pick any type of smoked salmon, but I bought vegan cream cheese. So the main thing in our diet right now is cream cheese because dairy is a very inflammatory product, and that is something where my boyfriend has certain intestine issues, and that's why we're trying to see if this new diet is going to help. So pretty much go ahead and pop the bagels in a toaster, toast those babies, and then go ahead and create your bagel, salmon, and cream cheese spread. Here are some last couple really quick snack ideas, and it's just one of those things where anything that makes life easier, that's just what I'm gonna go with. So pretty much I have been on a very, very huge Greek yogurt kick. So I like to pair my Greek yogurt, and I like the flavors strawberry and blueberry, and I like to pair them with granola. Then my next one is I like to really eat hummus and pita chips. And last but not least, I like to go ahead and get a berry and nut mix, kind of like a trail mix, but no M&Ms. So pretty much those are just the last couple healthy snack ideas that you can literally throw in your purse or eat in the middle of the day if you have no other time to like try to get lunch or food or anything like that. And these are just really good ideas to hold you over throughout the rest of the day. Alright, so I'm going to close out this video, but I hope that you really enjoyed the meal prep and snack ideas that I had for you today. Honestly, this is just a small portion of all the meal prep ideas that I have. I've done so many in the past, and I will do so much more in the future. But I hope that you at least got some ideas on how to eat a little bit healthier and just have more creative ideas when it comes to meal prepping, because by all means, I know that a lot of people in this world are trying to eat healthier. And one thing for me is that I've personally taken away from this is in order for me to be consistent with something, I have to enjoy it. So the fact that if I want to start eating healthier and having a healthier diet, I have to like the foods that I'm cooking and eating. So with anything in life, I feel like that's just kind of how it works with me, and I know that everybody's different, but trust me, if you can really stick to it and cook things that you truly enjoy, I feel like it'll make the biggest difference in the world. And don't ever let other, people or influencers try to influence you to eat things that you really don't like. Like if you hate celery, don't freaking make celery juice. I know that's a big kick right now, and it has been for a while, but your girl hates celery juice. That's why I'm creating my own green juice. Like, it's just what you can go ahead and be creative. So that's why I just think just create meals that you enjoy, and it will be a fun process. And then at the same time, you'll be able to see your whole progress from eating, super unhealthy to being healthier. And that'll just benefit you in the long run. But other than that, I'm going to close out this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. It was so fun to make this video, and I hope to make more in the future. But I do post videos every Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.